Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Bob Garcia and welcome back to my channel. It is really hard to do a room makeover, especially since I just moved in, and oh my gosh, all of the stuff that I need to buy. Back in my old room, I don't really want to put so much stuff, but because I just get inspired by the videos and the DIY hacks, IKEA hacks, and thrift flips of Lone Fox, that's a Drew, and McKenna. I just wanted to do something for myself as well, especially after COVID, after lockdown, that you just want to make yourself feel good after all of those months that you haven't traveled. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be a year that I haven't traveled, you guys. I am just so sad right now, but hopefully next month we can do that, and I hope that I will be out of Europe by June or July. I think I'm gonna do like a 6th episode of the room makeover. For this week's episode, we are going to IKEA. Well, actually, I've already been to IKEA, and my flatmate Irene and I have been there. And oh my gosh, if you have a new house, a new place, IKEA is the best place to go to because the items are really affordable. So we are just going to see really all the stuff that I really wanted for my room. I really am more leaning to more natural stuff right now, more natural decor, more natural feels. So it just brings a really good vibe to my room if I see them. So let's go into it. So we're in this pillow section now. I think I like this one, but I like this one as well, but I just can't find this one. This one right here. And then, oh, we can do a DIY of this knit here someday. I really want to get a chair for my room as well, but I think it's just gonna make it a little bit smaller. So I'll just postpone this for now. Another one like here. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This one. You can use this as a planter or we'll find a purpose for this. Oh gosh, I'm really getting obsessed with this one as well. It's bamboo. I wish I'm in the Philippines right now. I think we can find something like this in the Philippines. It's actually good for the entryway. Store some shoes and whatnot. So 3 of this, like this, and then it will be under that like bench over there. Sorry, my hand is like so cute. Look at these placements. I really love the feel of this. For the entryway, we just wanted to really make it simple. Like, that will be your bench, and then you'll have this rattan over here for the shoes. Then you'll have 3 of that, 2 and 3. I think that would be really make a nice statement and just really clean, simple. And then we can just stain the wood just to match it with the rattan as well, like even darker or lighter. Ooh, got the lush feel of this. But for me, like, I prefer simple beds than having something like this. I mean, I prefer this bed actually, because you can actually put like a hanging headboard rather than the traditional headboard like this. Let's see. This is really good, the mom bed. Kasi I feel like luxurious, and then the best part of that is meron siyang storage sa ilalim. Like, look at that. I really like it. It's another version of mom. It's a standard king white, and to add the drawers, like 50 pounds each. Oh no, 50 pounds for 2 drawers, so you can store some stuff in here, pero parang mas limited. Like, I don't think you can fit a luggage in here, whereas dun sa isa mas effective siya na storage space. My friend Carolina, she has this nice blanket, like throw blanket, and I really like the pattern. I think it will really look good on our sofa. Love it. Oh my gosh, you guys, this wool sheepskin. It's really cool, but look at this, like 50 quid. We'll look good at that for the sofa as well. So the trend really is like to go natural. Just I really want to buy one of this and just make a DIY project, maybe like a wall art, like that. And put some macrame cord. Oh gosh, you guys, this greens are so beautiful. Like I cannot decide whether I love this because remember I have the olive green, like the matcha flavored drawer that I made. So, but I think I'm liking this one. Like it's only £8. It has this white effect as well, which I think would really look good on my bedding. I'm confused. All of this storage stuff can use. Really love this ones as well. So next time, if we have a car, we can get Uber. This ones. Guys, this really caught my attention. Like the brown aesthetic is really good for my room. Like I really love this. But the problem is it's only 130 by 195. I'm not sure if it's gonna really fit in my bedroom. I really wanted the larger one, like up to 230. This one I like it as well, but I don't have much blues in my room, and this looks a bit like cool, and I just want a warm room really. Do I really want a cowhide? I'm not ready for that one yet. But look at this one, Turkish rugs. Ooh, it's just gonna be so expensive, isn't it? Like this one, guys. It's like 300. This one is actually quite cool, but the size is just 80 by 150, and I don't think it will cover my whole bed. I think it's just gonna be like a side of the bed rug rather than the whole bed. I also find some flower pots. Like I really love this earth color. You can see like the little stuff in here, and then this one as well. I think this is perfect. I love the kind of green for this one. I think I'm gonna get a couple of those. And then this one is just like £2, I think. Boysenbach. Let's see. I'll get one of these as well. So tell me, you guys, is there any particular product that you wish to buy from the video that you just watched? Tell me, because I really want all of them, really. And if you can see in here, these are actually the products I bought for today. I only went there to buy a rug, but I end up buying loads of stuff, which I think I really need. I really need, not want, yeah? So are you like me as well, you guys, that you wish that you could stay there forever because the rooms are just so inspiring and the way they do it is so professional? Wish I could make over my bedroom every month so that I can get something from IKEA. It's just so fun, you guys. If you think I missed something that I need to put in my room, please comment down below so that I can buy it. And I really love to hear from your ideas how to really make this room more cozy and warm and loving and homey. So yeah, you guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and what else are you gonna do anyway? So that's it for this week, you guys. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye, see you next week.